What's going on, pros? This is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. What I'm gonna do, this pickup back window, I know it's relatively easy, but there's a lot of 101, 102 installers that would like to know how to work around stuff like this. One of the things that we used to do a lot was to air peel and all that kind of stuff. That is perhaps one of the cleanest ways to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with a Cali Roll only because there's a car seat under there and I didn't want to remove it because the guy's kind of in a hurry and he doesn't want to be bumbling and fumbling and all that kind of stuff, and me neither. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road. Okay, this is my scrubby. Okay, I already have pre-cut this pattern and we're going to be rolling it. So man, I don't even know. I don't think I've done one of these before. Cali rolled it, but I imagined it and I thought it was easy when I imagined it. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. It is, what day is it today? Monday. We are closed today. I am doing this by myself. Hence, I don't want to remove car seats or none of that stuff. Also, okay, I think that'll be good because I'm going to start from this side. I haven't even cleaned the window, but we're going to go and get it all, everything under control as far as water usage and all that. I've done one way before, but it's buried in my 100 and some videos. So I'm going to do a fresh one so that people can kind of look at what's going on since the get-go. Okay, we'll leave this guy right here for a moment. Almost no water. Kind of like in detailing world, there's something called rinseless car wash, ONR or something like that. Kind of similar. All these dots right here, go ahead and scrub them well. Even though this seems to be a shortcut to whatever, you know, don't shortcut the cleaning, because around these dots and such, there's always curling and delaminating of the film, peeling back, and people are like, what's Ford putting in these things that makes it so difficult to adhere and all that? And to be honest with you, it's a lot of times just poor preparation. We do everything so quick to get cars out and make money that we just miss a couple of steps, right? Better to be honest than not honest. Gonna dry this up. Rinseless car wash, huh? The very first time I heard about rinseless car wash, I really thought that there was no fucking water touching the car, but nah, there's plenty of water touching the car. So same concept here. Mop up all this water, that way there is no water on the vehicle. This is my dirty rag, not dirty as in my name, but dirty meaning like I have one for doing this, and then usually I have a real nice clean one. I'm gonna do my final pass like this, just one long pass. We don't need to be doing 6 or 7 times. There's really no need. If you clean a window very good the first time, it's done. I think that a lot of contaminants will show up because of delivery. So delivery is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so we're gonna do, this is a small, I'm sorry, a what is it? Low volume pump. It's very small compared to those other green ones or the Spray Masters that have a large pump. Those throw a lot of water, so I put it in the lowest setting to spray fan, and I get droplets of water, but there's enough slip solution in there that this stuff's gonna move, and I'm not really getting this truck all messed up as far as with water and such. Customer hates it. I hate it because then I have to clean it up and it looks bad on me in the parking lot when I don't clean something. It's gonna be like, man, this vehicle wasn't all streaky and stuff before. What's going on? And I go, well, it's really my fault that I didn't cover it or didn't do this process correct. Okay. All right. So here it goes. Right, I think it is right. Yeah. Okay, get a little bit of water. If you're gonna water anything, water the film. Try not to do anything with the glass. So we're gonna go ahead and keep on doing this, and then hold it right here or wherever. But we're gonna lay this guy through the top, through that hump right there. Put him where he needs to be at. I said enough slip solution, and there it is, enough slip solution. Push them to the bottom here. Push them, push them, push them. Align them where it needs to be. I don't want to go to the top right away right now. I'll show you why right now. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so we're done unrolling this thing. Put them on your glass. Okay, I like to get this bottom low like this and then push it up. Yeah, like that. And then push it up. There you go. That way it didn't drag to the top. And that's a little trick I wanted to show you. Okay, so we remove this liner out of the way and continue to, okay, I'm looking where the film needs to be at, as far as here, there. Dragging them up a little bit. There you go. Corner, corner. All right, this window might have fingers, meaning curve. So because it does have a defroster line, we're going to go ahead and attach the film to the defroster and then pull it, and it'll have 0 fingers. We're going to attach it obviously from the center and then work our way out. Center, 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 center. And we're good. Let's go ahead and stretch it that way. And just watch the fingers disappear. See that one? Disappears real quick. And the film is not moving because it's attached to the defroster, so grand slam for everybody. There, long strokes. Rinseless wash. I really believed it back then. Okay. Okay. All the dots, I can see that they're very well placed. No water, no fuzz, none of that stuff. Push it that way and I can see all the fingers go away. Do my final pass and boom, it's attached there, so I don't need to sweat it no more. All right, happy customer, happy return customer. We'll recommend this because his vehicle is not all trashed out with water all over the back seat, over his baby seat, and you know how it goes, guys. And I don't want to clean it after. I just want to prevent it. Prevention is always a little bit faster than trying to cover up all our stuff. Okay, so let me show you. There we go. The final product. Remove this. Okay, no water in the seat, no complaints from customers. And Felicia Canes, the Tint Queen, that's all she wrote. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.